Hello everyone, welcome back for today's puzzle. Again, we're continuing on with the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 1. There's a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon if you want to solve along with me. So it looks like today we're working on number 47. Let's just start with this box. It looks like we're missing a 2, a 3, and a 6, but we've got a 2 here and a 6 here, so this is our 3. 6 there, so this is our 2 and this is our 6. If we finish off this column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. For this box, it looks like we're missing a 1, a 2, and a 7. We've got a 1 here and a 7 there, so this is our 2, and again that 1 there makes this our 7 and this our 1. If we do this row, looks like we're only missing a 2. For this bottom row, we're missing a 1 and an 8. We've got an 8 there, so this is our 1, this is our 8. To finish off this box, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing 5 and 6. There's a 6 here, so 5, 6. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing a 5 and a 7. And there's a 7 here, so 5, 7. Let's see, where do we want to do next? If we do this column, we've got 1, 2, we're missing 3, 5, and 6. We've got a 3 and a 6 there, so this is our 5. We've got a 6 there, so 3 and 6. If we do this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, we're missing 4, 5, and 9. We've got a 5 and 9 in this box, so this is our 4. We've got a 9 there, so 5, 9. For this box, we've got 1, 2, we're missing a 3 and a 4. We've got a 4 there, so 3, 4. For this box here, we're missing 1, 2, and 8. We've got a 2 and an 8 here, so this is our 1. We've got a 2 here, so that's our 8, and that's our 2. To finish out this row, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 7 here, so this is our 9, there's our 7. If we work on this row, we've got 1, 2, 3, we're missing 4, 5, and 9. We've got a 4 and a 9 there, so this is our 5. We've got a 5 here, obviously, so we're still looking for 4 and 9. There's not 4. 1, 2, 3, 5, and 9. So if we go back, we've got the 3 and the 9 there, so that's still the 5. But that 3 makes this our 9, and here's our 3. If we do this column, looks like we're missing a 2 and a 4. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 4. For this box, we're missing a 1, 6, and 8. We've got a 1 and 8 there, so that's our 6. But we don't have any other help. So 1 or 8, 1 or 8. If we work on this box, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing 4, 5, and 7. We've got a 4 there and a 5 there. So 7, that 5 means this is our 4 and this is our 5. For this column, we're missing, let's see, a 1 and a 2. We've got a 1 there, so 2, 1. That 1 makes this our 8 and our 1. So to finish out this row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is our 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. All right, there was another puzzle for today. Please join us again tomorrow, and we will do our next puzzle in this book.